Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Seasonal Bowl Decor Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. I'm not really doing a lot of home decorating these days. In fact, I've given almost all of my home decor and decorations away. I've really gone to a more minimal standard, and I really don't keep a lot of these things on hand to do decorating these days. So today I'm going to be putting a couple of different bowls together with a couple of useful practical ideas. Let me show you what I've come up with. The first bowl design I'm going to put together is in my kitchen. I have this bowl which matches this one that I always keep fruit in. My son and his girlfriend are coming to visit, and I'm going to put together a snack bowl. I know that it would be so nice to have some snacks set out so that they can easily get these things. I have more of these things in my pantry, but for now I'll just go ahead and put some of these in the bowl. I can easily and quickly refill it. I also have some roasted sunflower seeds. I know that these are things that they really like. I'll also put in some hot chocolate. I know that this is one of their favorite drinks. And I have some protein chocolate chip cookie dough granola bars here. I have some brownie bars. I'll put the smaller things right in the front. Some more protein bars. These are nice to grab if we go on a hike or they want to take something along with us if we go for a long drive in the car. I also have some of these cookies. These are a nice little extra special treat to have in the evening. In no time at all, I have a wonderful snack bowl that matches my fruit bowl. This will be the perfect place, and I'll set the coffee pot right here so that they can easily make coffee or hot chocolate. Once they've taken some snacks out of the bowl during their visit, I'll quickly and efficiently replace them with refills that I have in the pantry. This way they won't have to search or find anything around the house. They can easily just come here and pick out what they need and what they want. Now it's time for me to put together the second bowl. In this bowl, I'm going to put some things for my guests to use. I'll put these taller things in the back and start moving toward the front. I have shampoos and body wash and conditioner, hand cream, and some hair gel. I've added in some antacid chews, some deodorant. I'll put in some toothpaste, a fingernail file, some toothbrushes just in case they forget to bring some, and I'll add some cotton swabs and some cotton balls, some dental floss, and some powder. I've rolled up a couple of face cloths, and I'm going to add a mirror right to the back. This way they'll have everything they need. I'll leave this big bowl on the bathroom vanity so that they can easily find any of the items that they need. They won't even have to ask. They can just look in the big bowl and take out what they need. I want to make this a little bit more decorative, so I'm going to just add a beautiful flower there and then one on this side. And in just a couple of minutes, we have a very special, very useful, practical bowl full of things that our guests can use or may need when they come to visit. And here are the bowls that we created. They'll be so nice and so much fun for our guests when they're here. These things will just make the visit much more comfortable and much more like they're at home. I hope you really enjoyed these useful practical ideas for these bowl designs. I really had fun gathering the things and putting them together, and I know my guests will really love and enjoy these useful things when they come to visit soon. I would be so happy if you check out the other participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.